Morning guys, it's Monday and I'm getting ready to start a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these videos from over the years, which is linked in the description box down below. So I'm giving Matt a light and fit protein strawberry banana smoothie, a mini little orange soda, and then of course his water cooler, which is the main source of what he drinks. The Yum Box I have packed up with some mini cucumber, some crisp celery, and then ranch to dip those in, some hard-boiled eggs with just salt and pepper, some pepper jack cheese cubes with some pepperoni, and then some black olives. I'm also giving him a little oatmeal cream pie and then a little Cheez-It for a couple snacks for the day. But yeah, this is lunch today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, it is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a vanilla Coke, a Body Armor fruit punch. I'm actually going to see about getting a case of these this week. I made a big salad today. This is bigger than a normal salad that I make him. And this is like a romaine blend on the bottom. So it's got like romaine, purple cabbage, shredded carrot. And then I went ahead and added some cherry tomato, some sliced mini cucumber, some cut up chicken breast, some bacon bits. I actually have these Black Label Hormel, I believe, bacon crumbles. So I put some of those. I did put two halves of hard-boiled egg. What am I missing? Something else, maybe not. But yeah, I put all that on top, and then I actually gave him two dressings. This is the dressing that I'm giving him today. It's the Fuji apple vinaigrette from the Panera Bread at home. So I gave him like a full one and then a half full one just because it's more salad, so I wanted to make sure he had enough dressing. I did cut up some huge strawberries. This is 4 like jumbo massive strawberries. An individual little Pringle cup. We love these. And a fork. I might actually throw in a granola bar just in case. But yeah, this is his lunch today on Tuesday. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade strawberry flavor, one of the vanilla Cokes, the wrap you guys saw me make on the rosemary and olive oil mission wrap, turkey, shredded cheese, some lettuce mix, and then some bacon aioli by Terrapin Ridge Farms. I did put some cherry tomatoes in here, a little baggie of cut up pepperoni and pepper jack cheese. I've got an oatmeal cream pie, a little cookie, and then some of these cheese star. These are the Imagine Parmesan cheese stars. I got these as a freebie from box.com. They're actually really good, so I'm going to see about ordering more, and also wanted to see if they had different flavors, but they're really good. They're like little crispy cracker things. But anyways, yeah, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it is Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade in the grape, a vanilla Coke, just a regular vanilla Coke, and then I packed up the Yum Box today. I've got raspberries and strawberries, the last of the hard-boiled eggs, some cut up rotisserie chicken from Walmart that is actually really good. I like this better than the kind you can buy like in the bag, if that makes sense. So check out your Walmart deli because this was really good chicken. Some cut up celery sticks and red pepper sticks. And in here I usually put like ranch, but I decided today to put this French onion dip as just something different because I thought that would pair really well with these two. And then I also have some large cherry or grape tomatoes with black olives. So this will be good for lunch. It's going to be a pretty warm day, so I wanted to do something kind of light and refreshing and kind of things that were a little bit crisp. I also gave Matt some of these chips. These are the Great Value Cheddar and Sour Cream, 78 cents for this bag. And I have tried these and I actually think they're really good. I would definitely repurchase these again. And especially for 78 cents, you can't beat that. And I'm also giving Matt a Welch's fruit roll in the strawberry. I'm obsessed with these. I eat like 2 of them every day. They're really good. But yeah, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Snapple apple in the plastic bottle, a blue berry, I think it's the berry flavored Gatorade, and of course the water cooler. The sandwich here, I used the King's Hawaiian mini sub rolls for the sandwich. It literally tastes just like the regular King's Hawaiian bread or rolls, but it's just a little bit bigger. So I do give him 2 because they're not huge, so I feel like this equals a regular size sandwich, I guess. And it has mayo, some lettuce, some Swiss cheese, and some turkey from the Dietz and Watson brand, I believe. I cut up 2 whole kiwis here. They fit pretty nicely in this container. I get questions about this container. I got it years ago at the Container Store, but you can get these, you know, stuff like this anywhere. And this is a Good Bin brand container, which I have a couple of these, and I really love them as well. I'm also giving him a regular little Pringle cup, a sharp cheddar cheese stick. This is a Great Value brand, and then just a little fork to eat the kiwi because it's a little bit slippery, and Matt works construction, so obviously it's probably just better if he uses a fork. But anyways, guys, this is lunch today on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches. Once again, there's an entire playlist of these videos linked in the description box down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.